Hi, Frank here, and welcome to my fall housing market update. As summer winds down, we enter the final quarter of this year, and with that comes many questions regarding the strength and direction of the real estate market. In this update, I'm going to reflect on what we've seen over the summer and then discuss what's to be expected this coming fall, both nationally and locally. So let's get right into it. Going back to the beginning of this year, we started out with the lowest inventory we'd seen in decades. Along with that was strong buyer demand, historically low interest rates, and bidding wars like we've never seen. And it remained that way throughout the course of the year. But as I mentioned in my most recent update, we saw how the inventory levels have been steadily rising since January right up until now. What started out as a 1.9 month supply of homes is now just under 3 months. This still represents a seller's market, which is defined by having less than a 6-month supply, so we're still in that range. But what I did not mention, since the data wasn't available at the time, was the fact that the market took a breather in the month of August. But this, we feel, is only temporary. If you look at this graph representing the Staten Island market, you'll see the decline in new listings and contracts taken in June, July, and August. In June, there were 807 listings taken, and that number decreased in July with 701, and then down again to 679 in August. As for contracts, we see a similar trend. There were 582 taken in June, while July was lower at 489, and then again even lower at 483, which were taken in August. In the Monmouth Ocean County, New Jersey market, you'll see a similar trend with listings taken. This was something that we as real estate experts haven't seen or even expected in quite some time. Although the numbers might not seem drastic, they were on the decline and definitely noticeable enough to spark conversations among my agents and other professionals in the industry. There's no doubt that it could be attributed to last-minute vacations and, of course, kids getting ready to go back to school, etc. In any case, it still begs the following questions. Where does the market go from here? And what can we expect between now and the end of this year? Let's start with interest rates. Interest rates will rise. As per their interest rate forecast, Freddie Mac says, while we forecast rates to increase gradually later in the year, we don't expect to see a rapid increase. At the end of the year, we forecast 30-year rates will be around 3.4%, rising to 3.8% by the fourth quarter of 2022. Now, as for inventory, even though we've seen levels increase gradually since the beginning of this year, the expectation is that inventory levels will grow even further throughout the remainder of the year. According to Danielle Hale, chief economist at Realtor.com, she says low inventory of homes for sale is still a challenge for buyers, but we're on pace to see inventories begin to grow before the end of the year. And as for prices, most economists agree that price appreciation will slow in the fall, right on through the end of the year. According to Lawrence Yoon, chief economist for the National Association of Realtors, he says, home prices are in no danger of a decline due to tight inventory conditions, but I do expect prices to appreciate at a slower pace by the end of the year. So to summarize it all, the answer to what we can expect from the market between now and the end of the year is this. 1. We'll see a slight rise in interest rates in the months to come. 2. We'll continue to see a growing inventory of homes to the market. And 3. Strong appreciation of prices that we've been used to seeing will begin to taper off to a much slower pace. So the bottom line is this. The overall landscape of the housing market will no doubt soon change. However, it will still remain healthy. If you're a seller, now is the best time to sell as prices are at all-time highs. And if you're looking to buy, soon you'll have more options to choose from as there will be more homes available to the market. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching. If you have any real estate needs, give us a call today. Any of our professionals will be happy to assist you. For more information, give us a call or visit us on the web at DiTommaso.com.